This is the first floor unit at 2015 West School in the Lakeview Roscoe Village neighborhood. This is the front living room, really nice big hardwood floors. Here's the front door. It's tiled. This is a half bathroom. It's underneath the stairs that go up to the second floor unit. Behind the door is the toilet. Here's a really nice closet. One more look at the living room as if you were coming into the unit. Nice big formal dining room. There are pocket doors in between the two rooms here. They've got a 6-person table, which you can see fits great. There's also a breakfast bar with 4 stools at it to give you an idea of the size. Really big bedroom, and the taller ceilings, you can kind of see it looks like 9 or 10 foot ceilings, probably 9 foot ceilings just from the height from the door to the ceiling. Real big closets, doubled up so you get a lot of space. There's a dishwasher underneath the breakfast bar, 42-inch oak cabinets. Here is a broom closet. This looks like a queen-size bed. It's got plenty of room. Again, you can kind of see how high the door or how high the ceiling is from here. Another good closets. This whole wall is closets, nice and deep on each side, so you're not going to hear each other if you have someone in each of the rooms. Back here by the back door is the bathrooms, tub and a shower combination, nice white cabinets.